Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Waze app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open the main menu. This will reveal all the primary options and settings available within the Waze app. Once the menu opens, scroll through the options until you find Settings. Tap on Settings to access the configuration panel where you can customize various aspects of your Waze experience. This is your control center for personalizing how the app works for you. Inside the settings menu, you'll notice several categories. Look for the option labeled General and tap on it. The General Settings section contains fundamental preferences that affect the overall behavior and appearance of your app, including language, units of measurement, and other core features. Within the General Settings, you'll see an option called Language. Tap on Language to proceed. This will open up a comprehensive list of all the languages that Waze supports, giving you the flexibility to use the app in whichever language you're most comfortable with. Now you'll see the full list of available languages displayed on your screen. Scroll through the options and choose the language you want to use. Whether you're looking to switch to Spanish, French, German, or any other supported language, simply tap on your preferred choice from this list. After selecting your desired language, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This message is letting you know that you're about to change the language settings for your entire Waze app. The confirmation ensures you don't accidentally change the language without intending to. Go ahead and tap OK to confirm your selection. Once you tap OK, Waze will automatically restart the app to apply the language changes. This restart is necessary because the app needs to reload all its interface elements, menus, and navigation instructions in your newly selected language. Give it just a moment to complete this process, and when it reopens, everything will be displayed in the language you chose. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on your Waze app, making it easier and more comfortable to navigate in your preferred language. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.